If you're in real estate and you see a crisis impending or you see a downturn impending, then it's not a time to shut doors and close up shop. You are the captain of a ship that is crossing an ocean. And that ocean is going to throw everything it has at you. It's going to throw storms and hurricanes. It's going to throw pirates. It's not going to be easy. But you have to keep making progress. You have to set your compass and you have to keep moving in that direction. You have to be wary of all the things that can take you off course. You have to stay focused on your goals. Your customers in a crisis, your customers in a downturn are going to need high value help more than ever. It's a time to be thinking about how will real estate operate during this crisis? How will real estate operate during this downturn? How will the rules of the game change? How will my colleagues and competitors behave? And how will they adapt to the crisis or to the downturn? And how can you take advantage of those changes, those adaptations? Even in a decline or in a crisis, opportunities open up. The word crisis itself in Japanese is two different words combined that mean both danger and opportunity. A crisis is the perfect blend of risk and reward, all happening at one time, but you have to take advantage of the situation. You have to be prepared for it, and you have to be willing to make the decision that it's going to take to come out of it better off than you were going into that crisis.